How to get a mirror-like shine on your kitchen countertops.
Dear friends, want your kitchen countertops to look glossy, clean, and almost mirror-like? The secret is not always an expensive cleaner, it's the right cleaning routine and a gentle finishing step.
Start by removing crumbs, grease, and food residue with a soft microfiber cloth. Use warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap to loosen everyday grime without leaving a heavy film behind. Next, wipe the surface thoroughly with a clean, damp microfiber cloth. This step is important because leftover soap or cleaner can make countertops look dull rather than shiny. For quartz and granite, use a cleaner specifically recommended for that surface. Avoid harsh abrasives, rough scrubbers, and acidic cleaners that may damage the finish or affect natural stone surfaces. Now comes the shine. Take a completely dry, clean microfiber cloth and buff the countertop using small circular motions. Keep polishing until the surface feels smooth and looks evenly reflective. For stubborn grease marks, clean those areas first instead of applying more polish. Too much product can actually create streaks and reduce the glossy appearance. Finally, make this a habit. Wiping spills quickly, using cutting boards, and avoiding abrasive materials will help preserve the countertop's original finish. With the right cleaner, a gentle touch, and proper microfiber buffing, your kitchen countertop can maintain a beautiful, polished appearance every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.